Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, today I will teach you English grammar, some common verbs and their nouns. Students, now let us start. First verb is grow, noun is growth. Next, invite, invitation. Laugh, laughter. Live, life. Lose, loss. Marry, marriage. Meet, meeting. Move, movement. Object, objection. Propose, proposal. Prove, proof. Punish, punishment. Remove, removal. Run, race. See, sight. Sing, song. Sit, seat. Solve, solution. Speak, speech. Strengthen, strength. Thief, theft. Think, thought. Translate, translation. स्टूडेंट्स, आज का लेक्चर यहाँ कंप्लीट हुआ. आई होप यू विल बी अंडरस्टूड दिस लेक्चर. ओके, अल्लाह हाफिज़.